was one question.
Sorry?
There's one question that we haven't addressed in the chat.
Yes. What was it?
If you open the chat, I think you can see here. Roll a bit back. Yeah, that one. Just before a bit up. Yeah, that one. From what we going down, down. No, going down a bit more. I mean, the recent one. Going down, not more. Yeah, from what we.
It's good. It's looking perfect.
This is a question.
Yeah, this question we have to answer.
I understood from the Professor Mathi, the publication will have their own AI check system and declare the originality of the system. Hence, we should not base or rely on the AI check providers. Is it right, Professor? No.
Thanks, everyone. Okay, let's start.
Yeah. So it's my suggestion for you all. If you can, anyway, I'm going to cover it everything. If you need anything, you have to ask, let me know. That will be better, because it is not good way, like I say, if I'm going for online participant and here the offline participant. So far, what I discussed with you, this kind of procedure, this kind of the approach is fine, or do you want to, we can say, move every slide? Which one is better? I'm asking you all.
Sorry, what you want to ask us?
Why I'm asking to you all. So far, what I did, like I'm showing some slide and then I'm going back to the, we can say, begin the slide and clarifying the many things, providing the information. Do you like this way, or should I go back to the only slides? Which one is better? Answering the questions like this way for every slide, is it fine? Or do you want me to answer all your questions in the later stage? Which one is better?
Okay, I think this one is the burning question. So if you can address this question first.
It's a matter you should follow your slide.
Doesn't matter. I will answer it. I'm here only. I'll answer the question.
Thanks very much.
I will answer the question. So, online participant, is it fine this way? I'm expecting you all.
Yeah, it's looking good. The
Yes.
slide.
Yeah, it is fine. So for everyone, this is okay, right? This way, right? Right. So coming to the point, your question. Like, it's a better keep some references, AI content. It's a AI will be the same AI only, like I say, here is either plus or minus only, like similar to the plagiarism only. So it's my suggestion. I need some kind of the reference. If I'm going to use the turn it in, if it is a 15%, it makes sense. Okay. It is better to reduce it. If it is a 15%, it's a good. If the authenticate is going to check the same paper, they will get the 18 or 19 or maybe 12. It's a difference. So if I will not rely on this anything, how do you know that whether my work is perfectly fit into the, we can say, the within a range of the plagiarism amount? So you have to use whatever things are available, either turn it in or authenticate. You take it like that reference and continue it. Is it fine?
Okay.
Is it fine? Like I said.
Yes. Yeah, it's good.
Perfect. Okay, fine. That's right. Okay, let me continue this way. Here, so reviewer to the, once you send the reviewer invitation, then already mentioned, like somebody asked we can say, what is the, which one? The review process, all this. I'll show you. See, can you able to see incoming papers this way? The first one, and then the editor-in-chief, and in between gap, what will happen? It will be the editorial check, editor-in-chief, and the bureau of the executive editor, and the associate editor, associate editor to the desk rejection, otherwise like associate editor to the assistant editor. There are the hierarchy will be there. Okay, it is one hierarchy. Let me show you here. If you are interested for the review, please send a mail to the editor-in-chief, associate editor, senior associate editor, about your expertise area. Already I shown some example. You need to follow it like this way, right? And one more very, very important thing. In this world, nobody will give the expertise as a gift. We need to work for our expertise. Will you agree or not? Nobody will give you that as a gift. This is the your expertise. We need to earn or we need to develop our profile. So we need to develop it. Then once they invite you as a review process, then you have to write the mail to the editor. Then already I mentioned this one. Select one specific research area and you have to travel that area. If you see my profile, see here. See, what is my research area? Sustainability. You can able to find out the papers and where. Here, see, can you able to see here? From this paper. My area is a sustainability. I am telling to you how to, we can say, fix the area here. My area is a sustainability, but please read this title. From demand to impact, can sustainable banking services advance the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals? Here is a sustainability is my area. Okay, but what about this one? Banking services, is it my core area? No, I am doing the interdiscipline. Is it understood or not? So you need to select this way. You need to be very clear. Suppose, assume that I am the co-author in the one paper. There is no any sustainability. It's a core banking services research paper. If I am as a co-author, then that paper will not give any valuable to my profile. Will you agree or not? Then people will assume that I have purchased the research paper, not participated. Will you understand? I paid some money to some X or Y. The authors, I have request them to add my name. So very clear that what is your research area? My research area is sustainability. My core one is operation management, but overall the research area is sustainability. So I can have to go for the sustainability application, banking services. So nobody will question me, oh, Mathi, this is not your research area. Yes, it's my research area. See that sustainable development goals. I have contributed that aspect. Yes, banking service is not my core area, but sustainability development goal is my contribute area. So you need to be very clear on this one. One, you have to be very clear on the research area. Then, so here, how do you find the suitable research paper? Keyword selection, everything. So what you need to do, you can Google it, very simple way. Then already told you, like I said, without good material, it is not good to produce any product. For the research papers, what is a good material? Proper reference papers. You need to find out the proper reference paper. Can I give you some example? Can I give you some example? Yeah. Let me open this one. Let me give some example. Okay. Now, let's say, same like I said, which one? We can go ahead with the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency market. Okay. Now, what I want to find out some papers connected to my area. Connected to my topic. Listen here. Is it a topic or the area? I'm asking to you. Cryptocurrency markets is a topic or research area. There is a difference. Research area is a very big, but topic should be the narrow down. Now I'm asking to you all, even online participants also, cryptocurrency market is a area or research topic. Please give your response, because I want to understand whether you are really taking the information or not. You tell me whether it's a cryptocurrency markets is a research area or research topic? Okay, research topic and research area. Then online participants, please respond. Is it cryptocurrency markets is a research area or research topic?
Yeah, I think this is the area, research area.
Research
I
area.
think.
Then area. Area. Then any other? Yes. Area. Yes, Professor. What is your observation? Is it research area or research topic? Cryptocurrency markets. Research area. Okay. So you
Topic.
topic. I think, sorry to say this, wrong. It's a research area.
Okay.
Not topic. It's a research area.
Topic is more specific.
Huh? Which one?
So finance is the research of area.
Yeah. Now this is a research area. Now, what I wanted to write, we can say keywords, exact keywords. Now, let me think. Application perspective. Let's say cryptocurrency markets. In this one, what I want to do it. You tell me, what is your planning? Let's say you only suggest this area. What is your interest on this one?
I want to predict the price.
Let's say predicting price. Okay. Predicting prices. Okay. Okay. Where?
It is in global market.
Global market or the specific one. Like I say, in India, cryptocurrency is banned. Like I'm telling, each one, when you're going to select any specific work, you need to be very clear one particular perspective, like a global marketing. Let me give. See here. Now see. See here. Now, these are the work is available, but unfortunately, few papers are not connected much. This one is okay, but still you can refer it. But see here. This is a very good journal. See here. Because remember that Q1A, these are the way Q1 journals are. Why I'm always stressing FT50, Q1, ABDC, ABS. Reason is those journal will review the papers in very sincere way. They have some certain system. But see here, this one is okay, but however, not much compared to the Q1. Is it clear? For that one only, I am recommending when you are going to refer any kind of the papers, the papers quality should be better than what we are targeting. I am going to target the Q1 top journal. Like us, do you know the ABDC list? Australian Business Deans Council, ABDC A star. Then if you are targeting the FT50 papers or ABDC A star paper, the reference should be better than your targeted journal. So that if the material is very good, then final outcome will be very good. So you have to be very clear what kind of the material you are going to procure here. Here, this is very good. Somewhat fine. This one, cryptocurrency prices and volatility prediction. Is it right?
Yes.
This paper. So you need to select. Okay. Professor Mathi, can you tell me that this specific topic, I want to add my country also. I want to check what are the papers published in my country. Similar. Let me add this one. Instead of the global marketing, what I have to do? Vietnam?
Look, this one is not relevant because the cryptocurrency market is connected. They're not limited in one place.
No, I just wanted to understand that, like I said, in India or Vietnam or USA, what is status? Because my focus is in the particular perspective. I'm giving some example. I wanted to understand how the cryptocurrency markets in Vietnam. I wanted to check whether there exists any researcher already published paper or not. Right or wrong? I want to put everything very clear way. Right? Let me give. See here. See here. Some papers are there. You can check it. Okay. May not be available much, but it's available. Okay. Few work. So
Yeah.
what I'm trying to tell you, when you're going to check some papers, you need to be very clear what are the information, because if the selection here is wrong, then final outcome also may not be right. Will you agree or not? Because here I'm not clear what I want to refer it, but how it is quite possible to get the final outcome. Let's see, let me tell you, I'm going to the one supermarket. I don't know what to purchase it. I'm not sure what I'm going to purchase it. If it is anything available, let me purchase it. That's a wrong perception. I need, before going to enter to the supermarket, I have to be very clear. I want to purchase the umbrella. Especially in umbrella, I want to purchase we can say the very strong umbrella. No, if it's a strong umbrella, more weight. I want to purchase one umbrella with the less weight. That kind of a clarity I supposed to have it. Then only it is good to purchase it. Simply I'm going to purchase a umbrella means that's not correct approach. Similar way, if I want to do the cryptocurrency research market in Vietnam, I have to be very clear. If there is any research work on the Vietnam cryptocurrency market, no, then I have to think global way. Then if there is no work on in Vietnam, then my work is the first work. Is it clear? This is the way we need to select. Then
So let me rephrase what you're saying. So you're saying that before we do any research, we should search for the relevant
papers to check relevant papers. And one more thing, see here. How many papers are there? See here.
13,000.
Please see here. Okay. Different combination of the keywords. You need to use it. Okay. Prediction prices, cryptocurrency, otherwise not market. See here. Straight away. See there. Different combination of the keywords. See here. Now, how many papers are there?
8,000.
8,822. Now, cryptocurrency, market, Vietnam. Current situation of cryptocurrency in the Vietnam. Is it the paper? First paper is very relevant or not?
Yes.
Very relevant.
Yeah.
So how it is quite possible? Because of the proper combination of the keywords. I need to understand what I want to understand. I wanted to go for the cryptocurrency markets in Vietnam. Instead of the specific research problem, if it is a generalized problem, your paper will not be considered. Is it clear? Online participants, is it clear or do you need any more explanation?
I want to ask, what is the number of resource?
Yeah, number of the
Telling you what is the message from when you searching for the number of resource?
number of the keywords.
Yeah, I mean, no, like just now you showed us like before it was 13,000, now it's going to 15,000. What is your message? Want to
No, what I want to know, I want to show like so I want to here highlight like 15,900 papers are available. It is relevant to this topic. We can't able to read all. At least I can able to see the first one, relevance, and then I will check the range. Which one? 2020 to 2025. See here. Then see. Yeah.
Marks. So where can I see them with my personal laptop? Because I have no way to see the labels. Like
This label, online participants, I think the last time I told you to this one. What for online participants and for offline participants, both I'm going to tell you here. See here. Rabbit quality journal quality check. See here. Just to open it. Please do it one by one. Please do it. Okay. Then see here. Then I am removing it. Okay. Removed. See here. Same. This one is the like this. Now I am going to refresh it. See here. Is it visible? Is it visible here? Nothing. Okay. Suppose, assume that. Why it is needed? I am telling that the Q1 journal, FT50, ABDCA, ABS3. If it is not here, it is not visible here. What you need to do? You have to open that. You have to take this journal title and then you need to check with the database. Right or wrong? Each indexing one. Instead of this one, just to add this one. Add to the additional this one. See here, then you have to open it here, ABS. ABD is there. If you want to use the any kind of the setup, like I say, if you are in the France, CNRS famous, then FT50, SGR, all these will be there. Okay, then you after this one, you just to refresh it. Now, same here. What I'm going to do, I will refresh it. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Now, let me continue. So, keyword selection, finding the perfect raw material, like a base and the reference papers. Okay, fine. Now, so do you think like it's only yeah, something? Some question?
No, Dr. Duke, it's level common.
Related to the I felt finance is a research area and cryptocurrency is related to the research. No, because Professor Doug, research area is more to be the like as a cryptocurrency market means. See here, cryptocurrency market is a area. In that area, what I want to do it. So how many huge number of papers are available? I need to be little more. This little more we can say the narrow down my search. Then only I can able to find out the some papers connect to the my expectations. The area which I'm doing showing here is a something what is it's a area. So you need to be little more concerned, right? So only 2 keywords. If you're going to add the 3, 4, then you can able to find out. I'm not telling that don't use this way. If you want to get the some base idea, I'm talking about the base idea, not reference paper. Base idea, you can go for it. Again.
Different with base idea and reference paper.
Okay, this is a base idea. Like I said, multi-scale characteristics of the emerging global cryptocurrency market. See, global cryptocurrency. But my intention is to check the Vietnam perspective, to understand the India perspective, to understand the something else perspective. I want to check why India is not allowing the cryptocurrency officially. That means I want to see here. Again, what I have to use? Dark side. See here, the dark side and negative consequences of cryptocurrencies. Is it clear? This is the way. The Professor Duck, is it fine?
Do you bit unclear about what is the difference between base idea and
Base idea means this in this paper, especially in this paper, you will able to understand the cryptocurrency market global way, just a global understanding, right? But after that, that is a base understanding. Then what you want to do it from that one? Suppose if I don't know about the cryptocurrency market, there is no point to think about the cryptocurrency market in Vietnam or cryptocurrency market, dark side in the other places. Is it clear?
Okay.
What is a base paper? What is a narrow down paper? Professor Duck, is it fine?
Yep, it's clear. Thank you.
Yeah, this way. Okay. Now, is it clear?
Hmm.
Do you know why I'm keep on stressing on this particular point is if you are not able to find out the right papers for your work, then you will struggle a lot to move further steps. Okay. Now, okay. So now I just shown the Google Scholar this way. But do you know everyone have the Scopus database? Scopus database, we can say better than why the Google Scholar? It is freely available, easy to accept it. But in the Scopus, same process only. You need to use the different the combination of the keywords. But the process, same process, but only database will change. I hope no doubt on this one. Next. So selection of the papers. Okay. Now I got an idea everything. I just wanted to understand that how the journal papers are considered. Already shown like as a sometime like as a out of the we can say 2024. How many papers are received? This much papers. Please see here. 8,465. How much is accepted? 566. Okay. Then what about the withdrawn and removed? I told you because of the manipulation of the paper or sometimes the papers are removed, accepted. That removed or withdrawn. Okay, down. See here. In this is the acceptance rate and submission and acceptance rate, and this one is which one? Rejection. See here how much now. Let me see. Let me show you something. In 2020, how much percentage of the rejection? 60. Then
70.
Then 2022, 75, 2023, 80%, 2024,
81.
2025, 85.
85.
80. Why it is so like that? Can you guess?
More AI paper.
No. Thing is, finding the right reviewer for the papers is very difficult. If I'm going to keep the we can say the paper as a publisher, if we are going to keep the papers for long time, no progress, then it is ethically it's not correct, and also it is a burden for the publisher and the journals and the editor-in-chief. So they will reject the paper so that they can find out the right reviewers with the less number of the paper. You are a reviewer of the one journal. As an editor, if I'm going to assign the 25 papers for the review, will you accept it? Why you want to review it? Anyway, you will learn something from the journal, something the paper from the submitted version. But you also have your own work, your teaching or your own research paper, everything. So it is not possible to review for all the papers. So for that one, it is there. Why I'm showing this one? When you are going to select all the papers here, from this paper, from this check, you found the papers. You are going to read. Then you have to check which are the journals it's quite possible. If you are open this one, let's say, I'll show you one thing. See here. If you see the first page itself, we will come to know. What is the acceptance rate? See here, how much acceptance rate? 5%. So suppose if you are going to target the journal, what you need to understand that you have to refer the paper, maximum papers from this journal. You need to download the papers and understand before going to start your actual work, because you are targeting this journal. If you're going to target this journal, you need to understand the something before going to start the actual thing. Two way will be there. Either let me start the work and then I will go for the journal selection. Otherwise, let me select the journal, and then I will start the work. Two-way also fine. It is up to you. Which one is you are interested? If you are going to target the journal, then before going to start your research work, you just have a look on the paper. What are the recent papers? Is it fine? Professor, the last one. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yeah. I think someone is asked. Yeah, someone is asked a question. Are the journal metric up to date? Yeah. Yes. The metric up to date means what I shown the technological forecasting up to the last year, up to the database, like in terms of the October, up to October. Now the changed after some time only editorial portfolio. What doesn't mean the 8 days for the bus decision or send the review or desk rejection? Exactly, you are right. You will be able to understand like in the once you submit the paper, the first status is paper is submitted to the journal. Paper submitted to the journal. Within 8 days, you will be able to understand whether the paper is a desk rejection or a review process. And one more thing here. 8 days is an average. Sometime the editor-in-chief is traveling, and editor-in-chief is we can say vacation period. He may take 20 days or 1 month also sometime, but maximum 8 days. Some cases only it will vary. It's an average percentage only. Average date, not exact, because who's the editor-in-chief? As a human being, not any system. Will you agree or not? Suppose today I'm not in good mood. Due to some official work, I'm not in a position to check the papers. So I can't able to check the papers today. Instead of the 8 days, I may take the 10 days also. But average 8 days. That's the way.
I want to ask you a question.
Yeah. Do they show how many days for final decision? Yes. It's a difference upon, let's say, I'll show you. In this publisher, in this publisher, in the Wiley, it is not there, but elsewhere is there. I'll show you. Let me tell you. Okay, let me show you. Professor Doug and others, please hear. In that one, first division, for example, which journal? Sustainable operation in the computers. This is a journal. So site, we can say site score 31.5, this one. Then see the first one. First division, how much? Is there any kind of 7.73? I told you, average. See that. It's an average. Okay. Then time of acceptance. If it's a review process started, after the first revision, paper sent to the review process. The average time is how many? How much days? 240 days. So date of acceptance, time of the acceptance, how much the acceptance rate, they will decide who, the publisher will decide the, we can say, information, the matrix. In the elsewhere, that means Science Direct, they will keep this record. But where? In the Wiley, they will not keep this record. Okay? It's not journal. It's depends upon the publisher. Because Science Direct, many journals should be there. Wiley, many journals should be there. It is not depends upon the journal. It depends upon the publisher. Is it clear? Yeah. Yeah, how journal impact factor is calculated. Very simple. I'll show you. I think I have removed this one because people are feel like as a, I don't know whether it is available in this one. Or anything. This one. Dal makhani and 2 roti means 4 pieces. 4 pieces, that's all. I think it's not there.
Glad that you have a lot of slide first.
Huh?
I'm glad that you have a lot of content first.
No, what I'm sharing the content is just a thing. With the help of the one slide, I can able to take 3 hour session because I wanted to share the experience. I don't want to explain here. Slide is just communication only.
No.
I don't know. I wanted to share that. I can able to take the 3 hours continuous session without making you bored with the help of the one slide. Because again, I'm telling to you, I wanted to share the experience. You people are here gathered to learn the experience, my experience, not to get the answer. Because if you're going to Google it or if you're going to put your question on the chat GPT, you will get the answer. Right or wrong?
Yes. Agree.
Yeah. Yes. One by one. Professor Duck, wait. One by one, I will answer ask question.
Sorry, it's not necessary. I ask for myself, but I ask the question for everyone in
Yeah, I
case
know that. I know
they
that.
too shy to ask. So I just put it there. Yeah.
Yeah,
You take
sure.
your time, don't worry.
Yeah, it is good. Thing is, we can say, I will consider your question is behalf of the entire team, entire members. Because I kept it somewhere else. Okay, during what I will do, during the lunch hour, I will find out the impact factor slides, how to calculate. Because I found like as an impact factor is nowadays, everybody knows, I don't want to keep that information. During the lunch hour, I will keep it that information. Okay, I don't want to waste time, your valuable time. Okay, now. Yeah, how site score is calculated? Very simple, like as a database. Simple database means it's a site score means the name itself, they will select the, so site score and the impact factor. Both I will discuss with you in the after the lunch. Okay, after the lunch hour. Then why some journals are ranked in the ABDC, but low in Q1? Because here, one student, 5 courses in the one department. That means if the person is studying in the management studies department in the international business course, he may perform in the accounting better compared to the international courses, international business. In the international course, but he may, out of the 5 subjects, 1 subject is very good. So what I'm going to consider, I'm going to consider only here. For your case, for you, I will tell you. See here. See here, especially, let's say Web of Science is a never considered, like I say, it's not considered much in terms of the business school. Web of Science is a only indexing. Okay, for the Web of Science, maximum consider like engineering by other areas and all. For us, as a management in India, we are following the which one? Australian Business Deans Council. Okay, what is this? I'll show you. This is fine. See here. This is a one indexing. Australian business. Suppose you tell me the journal name. You tell me the some journal name. Any journal name. Management business. Any journal
Accounting
name.
and finance.
Sorry.
Accounting and finance.
Accounting and
Accounting. Accounting.
finance.
Finance. Yeah. I'm not sure N or the you check. Yeah. It may be
Don't worry.
letter N
Don't
and
worry.
work N. Yeah. Yep. That
Accounting.
is. Yep.
What is this? See here.
It's rank A. Oh.
Okay. Now I'm going to. Okay. You ask me the question. What
I
is the
give
question?
you the one that here.
Wait. You ask me the question here. What is your ask me the question? Here it's a A category, but
Yeah.
but
But
it
low
is
in yeah. So you can check the Journal of Accounting Literature. It's
wait,
A rank in ABDC, but it's EQ3. In my opinion, in accounting field, it
yes.
should be ranked as A because it's very
See
high
here.
quality. Yeah.
Yes.
No, this one
Na-
is fine. Another one I'm showing you. Journal of Accounting Literature.
wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah.
Journal of Accounting Literature. Yeah. I
Okay.
put in the chat.
Yeah, it is here. You also, because can you tell me that why you want to understand this one, all this one? Because you are in the process to select the journal. You should know which kind of the category journal you have to select for your work. If you don't have that idea, it is not correct. I'm writing some paper and submitting to some journal. It is not correct. You should know why this journal, how it is relevant. Now, see here. Journal of Accounting Literature. Okay. I am showing. It is a category. Yes. And also see here. It's a ABS3.
Oh, it's
Okay.
it's
So
it's
now
it's
I'm going
Q1
to,
now.
yeah, I'm going to check where.
In Simago, it showed Q3. In
Q3.
Simago, yeah. and that, you know, I argue that is incorrect, but people told me that, oh, Simago correct. So my next question is whether
Yes, right.
Simago is reliable.
Same also database, we can say not
Yeah,
any.
it show
It is
Q3.
see, if you see the website, you will able to find out the what of the thing, which one. See here,
Yeah, going down.
advertisement, everything. Do you think it's a authorized one? Some level it's authorized, authenticated. See, these people are keeping this database to get the money, right or wrong? See the advertisement. See the advertisement. So some level it's fine. It is not everything. You need to get where in the Scopus database. In the Scopus database.
But Sigmago, they blame that they get it from Scobus. You see, it shows Q3.
But see, I don't think it is a we can say Q3. It is surely it is not Q3.
Yeah.
Why? Because it is such a category journal can never be as a Q3 journal.
Yeah.
100%. Such a see A category and also ABA3. It shouldn't surely 100% it will not be as a Q3. It is wrong.
Yeah, that's what, you know, I do have a what do you call a discussion or argument on
Not
one of, you
required.
know,
No, no, no.
the Facebook with, you know, with
Why
PhD.
you are arguing? Why you are arguing with
No,
them?
no, it's not argue, but you know, they said that, you know, Simago. I said, oh, I'm not sure. I think Simago is incorrect,
Yeah.
right? But you know, they can say the Scobot is wrong. Scobot is also, I think, Q3. So I don't understand the reason how they calculate. Yeah. Can you check?
Yeah. See here. Very simple.
Yeah.
You can download from here. See
Yeah.
here. Search a journal.
I don't think it's. Oh, what's that?
It's a Q1.
Impact.
See here. Q1.
Oh, it's back Q1. Okay.
Ah,
Give me 1 second. 1 second. I take the screenshot.
don't worry. You take it.
No,
See.
no, the last one, it was actually low. I think that, you know, they correct the error. Yeah,
It's actually
yeah,
don't trust the private people.
yeah.
I hope you will understand. See, in the
Yeah, no,
elsewhere, will you have, whether in the elsewhere is there any kind of the advertisement? Is there any
yes, yeah.
advertisement in the website?
No,
No.
so my
But
question
here,
is,
uh,
yeah, my
even you can
question
check.
is,
Yeah,
Mathi,
yeah.
um, so, you know, in Q1,
Uh,
some of Q1 is actually in Scopus is Q1,
uh.
but in ABDC it is B level.
Doesn't
So
matter. Even
Q1 can be
C.
A and B. Yeah.
See, even C also. I let me tell you one thing.
Oh, okay.
See here, technology in society.
So that is my question. Should we go for ABDC or should we go
No,
for
no, 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 no.
Scopus?
Wait. No, no, no. You are wrong. Professor, sorry to say this. My university, my institute following the ABDC. So I have to select here which one. I have to select which one is my institute is following it.
Yeah.
I have to select where what my institute is following it. My institute is a ABDC following it. So let me go for the A star A. No, my institute is suppose your institute is not following a ABDC. If they are following for the ABS, then go for the 4 star 4. No, my institute is following the FT50. I have to go for this one. So whatever the ranking you are taking, then you have to go for the topmost one. Okay. So that will be depend upon the what is which university you are belonging and what is the rules and regulation. My suggestion is if you are like I say your university is following the ABDC, then go for the A star AB. A. Don't go for C. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, I do understand that, you know, we should follow. That is the decision of the management. Yeah. We follow
but
that. Yeah,
that's
we
only-
follow whatever list they do. Yeah.
And also, if you are going to your
In
institute is
Vietnam, Mathi, in Vietnam, they prefer Scopus. They don't prefer ABDC. In
why not?
Vietnam, I mean.
Doesn't matter. Then in that case, you should go for the only Q1 journal. If you are a Q1 journal, automatically A category will come or B category will come. For example, see here, technology in society. I will
Yeah.
give the one example. Is it good journal? See here.
Yes.
What is the impact factor?
12.5.
12.5. Wait, see
Yeah.
here. See here. What's it? Technology in society. What is the category? See here.
B. Oh.
Right or wrong? What is the category here?
Uh.
C category. For you, not an issue. But this is a Q1 journal. This is a Q1 journal. You should go this journal because your university is expecting this one only. No, I wanted to be very clear. I want to satisfy my university norms. Simultaneously, I wanted to build my own identity. In that case, you have to select the Q1 journal as well as which one? ABDCA or ABDCA star. So that you will get the both benefit. It's a depends upon the my priority. No, I don't want to think about the international level. If I get some good promotion in my university, I'm okay with this. So you have to decide it. It's a see, for them, like I say, ABDC 11, for them, it is not much impact in the management journals. So they are considering they are keeping the very least priority. But in the Q1, it's the best one. See here, I'll show you. See here, I'll show you. Professor, just 1 minute. See here, 1 minute. See here, what is this? Technology in Society. What is the journal? See here, Q1. Clear?
So what you just told me that you prefer to build our identity, our world identity, you prefer Q1. You go with Q1 even is your university or your department consider or favor the ABDC. Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
What I will do, see, example, please see my profile. Please see my profile. Please see my profile. Will you able to see my profile?
Yes.
Yes.
See my papers. See here. Q1, A star, ABS, Q1, A, Q1, A, Q1, A, Q1, A. And also my intention is not only A and Q1, I want to go for which one? ABA3. ABA3, ABS2, okay. ABS3. Then see here. Is it clear? My institute is, we can say which one is important? ABDC. For me, it's a ABDC important. Simultaneously, I will focus on the which one? Q1 journal. 99% A category journal will be the Q1 only. Professor Duck, is it clear?
So just to confirm that you would go for the Q1, even if it's not here, but even if it's lower rank, like B or C, like that technology in society, would you publish in that or no?
Yeah, no. Sometime I will decide, like see here, I have already published a paper, but some papers will be fit into the only the technology in society, means I will go for it. It's my call. Because I already have the enough number of the A category papers.
Yeah.
If the paper is exactly fit into that one, it is fine. ABDC it is a C category, but Q1 wise, very good, and impact factor also very good. Is it clear? Professor Duck, is it clear?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, let me continue this one. Let me go through this process little more. See, already shown this one. Let me make you understand little more fast way. What are the what you can say? What are the main 4 reasons for the desk rejection? See the desk rejection. Technology focus is missing. Why? In the journal is, what is the journal name? Technological. I'm just giving you an example. The journal reason is a technology. The journal is a technological forecasting and social change. But your paper is technology focus is missing. Then paper will be rejected. Or most incidental to this work, paper falls outside, or it is at the best peripheral to TFSC's theme and scope. Then rejection. Even your paper is very nicely structured, very good paper, but it's a paper is pure accounting. Do you think the paper will be fit into the technological forecasting? Then paper should go where? Accounting area. Is it clear? Then high similarity and duplicate submission. I told you, right? Some suggest the excessive use of the passages published elsewhere. Someone is published in the Vietnam very nicely. From India, I am taking the same information. Instead of the X variable, I am changing the Y variable, but I am using the same methodology, same procedure by keeping the India name. No, if same methodology, same work, only the, sorry? Different country, you can take the different country, you need to highlight what you actually contributed. Suppose one work is published, like a cryptocurrency markets in India. Assume that the one work is published already in India. You wanted to conduct the similar study in Vietnam. Just assume that. So in that case, what you need to do, you need to show that why it is important in this study in Vietnam. You need to prepare the strong reason, and then how your contribution is something unique compared to the Indian study. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. And also, if you are going to use the same variable and same methodology, it is not correct. You need to use some kind of different variable. No, not similarity. Because see, the experts or the data, what you are going to do, India and Vietnam, surely will not be the same. Exactly. So you need to add some valuable points or contribution points compared to the Indian study. Then only your work will be considered. You can take it, but you need to first to provide the strong reason why the study is needed in Vietnam. You need to work on it.
References or the articles? Does it sound like similarity in the paper?
That means you wanted to collaborate with the same professor. That means I didn't understand your question.
Methodology. But can you use the same references that previous paper have been used? And then does it mark us as
That's like as a factors or some kind of the variables. Other material means what kind of material? That's important. Suppose in that paper, Indian studies paper, they will use the X methodology, same variable. What you are going to do? You want to extend that paper. You want to prove it like I say in Vietnam. Similar work is similar things are available, but I'm going to use the Y methodology. I want to prove it that's better result. Then you can use the same material, but you need to provide the strong reason why you are using the same material, means same variable. You need to provide. Then change the methodology. Even then you have to change the research question also. Okay. Then the next one is the uninvited resubmission. That means you have submitted a paper, desk rejection. Again, what your people are doing it, they will reject. What they will do? They will change the title and the abstract. Again, they are submitting. What will happen if you are going to do it? Your name will be registered by the, remember, by the editors. Whenever you submit any good paper, they will reject it. Because they may feel like, sir, all your papers are not that to the level, let me reject it. Why? They can't able to handle the more papers. Is it clear? Because only 15 to 20% only they can go for the review process. In the 20%, they will select the final acceptance less than 10%. So don't do it like I said. In that case, what you need to do, you have to write like this way. If the rejection is there, then see here. If the rejection is there, what you need to do? You have to ask if it's a decision is a fair, yes. Had to say it, yes. Then no, letter to the editor asking to reconsider. Even the last time also told you, like I said, don't ask, how dare you to reject my paper? Why? Because you are submitting the same area. Suppose I'm working, it's a supply chain management. I'm a guest editor, I'm an associate editor in the international logistic management, one journal. Okay. You are also, your research area also same. Logistic management, supply chain and logistic management. If you are going to write the strong data, how dare you to reject my paper? What will happen? Your name will be registered in my memory. Whenever I will be the, we can say, associate editor or the executive editor, the another one journal that is also connected to the which one? Supply chain logistic. Whenever you are going to submit the paper, sometime it will trigger my ego. You scolded me, right? Let me reject your paper. Got it? So if the rejection is there, you need to letter to the editor and asking to reconsider. You need to provide the highlights of the paper, how it's important. Sometime they will accept it. In that case, you need to go for the resubmission. Otherwise, don't resubmit just like that. Is it clear?
Can we somehow remove the black box?
Which one?
See, there's a black box on the screen.
Nothing is there. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, here, this one generally should be like this only. Topic, title, abstract. Get your paper notice and into the review process consideration. Topic, title, abstract. Decision is aligned with the theoretical extension, methodological, and application. You need to mention it. This one. This is the way you need to refer it. Then, okay. In the technological forecasting, the topic selection should be here. When you're targeting the technological forecasting and social change, the topic should be which one? Within the theme. Then read the author's guidelines proper way. Then read the published technology forecast recent research paper. Why? You will able to understand that what is the expectation. Then avoid the 20 topics and the 20 methodologies. What's the trendy and methodology, all this one, what will happen? They will get up with the irritation. If you are going to submit, the COVID-19 later paper now, without reading your paper, they will reject your paper because huge paper already published. Right?
So
Then
what is TF and SC stand for?
Technological forecasting social change journal.
Source changing.
Techno
Sorry, I will.
TFNC means this is a journal.
Okay, you don't know. Okay, that one. Okay.
Technological forecasting and social change.
I see. Got it.
Journal name. Okay. Then something you have to, we can say, see, dear Professor Mathi, you are telling that we can say trendy topic is good, not good. Then in what way you would suggest to select the topics? Means very simple. You need to find out the some kind of the specific issue. So how to find out the specific issue? Please have a habitual to read the government news, government policy news, because in the newspaper you will able to get the some idea, government reports, because you need to find out the nativity issues, right or wrong. Then you will able to understand that what is their expectation, where is the missing. Then from there you have to take the inputs. Then and try to avoid the systematic review, bibliometric, because most of the journals, they don't like to consider the systematic review papers.
Really?
Why? I'm telling that they never consider. They will consider until have the strong reason for the your review papers.
Okay.
Otherwise, people will believe that a review paper means no contribution. I'm just downloading review papers and adding something and submitting. You need the strong reason. What is meant by strong reason means from the collection of the paper, what you are going to print the new perspective. The review paper, review from the existing paper, what you are going to give them to the society, what you are going to explore in the existing papers, perception to the entire world in the different way. Is it clear? Now.
Can you give us some example, because we learned about a lot about systematic review. Can you give us example like what is the strong reason or particularly?
Let's say, let me give the, we can say last time also given, let me give this one example for you.
Thanks a lot.
One example. See here. Okay, can you able to see here?
Yes, yeah.
This paper is where published. I didn't show that paper, right? Okay, I will show you that paper. The paper title, it's my paper. See the paper, Reverse Supply Chain Management in Manufacturing Industry, a systematic review. Okay. Do you think because of the title they are considered it?
No.
No. See here. Where I have highlighted in the first step itself?
Is this question?
In the literature review, what I'm going to cover it, or what I'm going to get for it, or what I'm going to, we can say, provide. See that? Can you read? I'm not going to explain anything. Please read the research question. Please read. Online participants also, please read this research question. Then you have to see title and research question. Read. I'm giving the 1 minute to you. Please have a look on the title and the research question. Please have. Online participants also, please can say, try to understand how this work is important, because so far, and also see another one thing, please see the year of publication 2002 to 2017. Up to 2017, we found like as some papers are available, but not strong a review process paper, where reverse supply chain management review papers are there. 2015, 2016, 17, there. But the perspective of the which one? Which reverse supply chain paradigms and issues are addressed in the literature? There is no detail on this one. Another one question is, what decision making, see there, what decision making, performance evaluation method, problem solving techniques, and the application area exists for the reverse supply chain. This information is not explored. For this reason, the review paper is important. Is it fine?
So you mean that we have to have like some new contribution, new findings, right?
No. Actually, not contribution means in the market, many mobile phones are available. Online participants also, please understand, in the market, many mobile phones are available. You are planning to propose a new mobile phone, right? If you want to planning to propose a new mobile phone, you should understand what are the, we can say, different mobile phones available in the market. And then you can take the information, then you have to project, okay, like as a Samsung, they are very good, but expensive. Like iPhone, they are very good, but much expensive. And another one problem is the Apple iPhone is only Apple iPhone to the Apple laptop is easy for the connection. But data sharing from the Apple iPhone to the other mobile phone is or other devices very difficult. So like this, you need to provide. Then you have to propose something there. You have to tell summary of the what are the mobile phone, what is their contribution, where is the gap. So who are want to propose, who are want to start the new company to produce a new mobile phone, they can able to get a clear idea from your research. Is it clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Understood or not? Because you see in the mobile phone.
Sorry, but see the message. Okay, you mean that? Okay. New input.
Because for you only I'm taking it. Okay, is it clear? You should understand, because you need to provide the reason. We are not expecting to do the work. Their review paper means you have to check what are the existing papers, how we are going to take the information to give the different perspective. So you need, that will decide who will decide or which one will decide. Only it will decide which one. This research question only. If the no research, strong research question or strong reason for the review paper, your paper will not be considered. Don't write the review paper just like that. Find out the reason. Do you know how much time for me took to design this research question? I think 2 to 3 months. Initially, we have decided, let's go for the one review paper. But we are not able to get a convinced information why this review paper is important. Then we did some kind of the work, then we found.
Yes.
Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now.
Thank you. That's enough.
I think others must be waiting. Let me cover it. Okay. And so the fourth one is the research contribution is too incremental or too narrow. It's in its applicability. That's also not correct. Then rest of the many things are available, and also what they're expecting. This is a one example from the technological forecasting social in journal, but similar way, all the journals will expect. What they will expect, see here, the well-defined focus of the study within the scope of the particular journal. Then a clear research design and potential impacts. What is a clear research design? You have to be very clear. This is my contribution. Why this contribution? Because in the existing paper, they have not addressed. Then third one is credibility and reliability of the research. Okay. Reliability of the research means whatever you are keeping there some evidence, that should be the reliable. It should. Huh? Yeah. For methodology, data collection setup, you have to submit. Nowadays, the people are very keen. I hope everybody knows the retraction. Because data manipulation. To avoid this one, better to keep the data with you. Let's say you are publishing paper in 2025. After 3 years, somebody will write your data is not genuine. If they prove it to the publisher, the publisher will communicate with you and they will ask the data. Nowadays, very good journals, they are expecting to upload your data set. Because they want to check the reliability, they want to check the robustness, right? Then, and sufficient and originality and contribution to the field. Originality means what is your actual contribution? Then, next one is the clear and coherent presentation. What is a clear and coherent presentation means? Once you start the objective means the entire paper should travel to that perspective to achieve the objectives only, not the different way. See. See here. See here, this is a research question. One paper. This is a research question. First question is, how do consumers perceive the sustainable banking services offered by the service provider as part of their sustainable strategies? Okay, first research question. Then second question, what factors influence a consumer's demand and adoption behavior with respect to the sustainable banking services? These are two questions. I want to find out the answer. Suppose, assume that instead of the, we can say the sustainable banking service consumer perspective, if I'm going to find out, if I'm going to add some information connected to the very generalized consumer services, then my paper is a not proper presentation. Will you agree or not? I have to think, I have to focus on which one? Consumer perspective, which one? Sustainable banking services, not in the consumer perspective in terms of the normal marketing. Right or wrong? I have to be very clear. So that is important here. Clear and coherent presentation. And why it is important? When you are available here, if you are going to submit one paper to me, that means one journal, you will ask a question, Professor Mathi, can you tell me this is my objective? It is a fit for to your journal or not? Because you are physically available in front of me. But once you submit the paper, do you think editor-in-chief or associate editor reviewer will call you? Can you tell me that what was the reason for this objective of your paper? Do you think they will call you?
No.
No. Only which one will speak? Your paper have to speak. Will you agree or not? Sometimes we may assume to write something, but the perception, the actual meaning will be different. To avoid this one, we need the very, very focused one. We need the proper proofreading after the correction. After the once your draft is ready, technically the paper is good, then you have to approach some language editor or your friend who's very strong in the language editing. Then get the update from them. Is it fine? Right, there. Relevance to the submission category. Okay. Some journals are available. Technological forecasting, you will find out the which one. I will give the one example. Will you able to see here? Okay, now see here. How many editors? How many editors are there? Everyone is a different areas. Myself. Okay, now let me. You will find out this one. See here. Editor-in-chief, co-editors. Can you able to see here?
Yeah, you can see.
What is the area editor? Advertising marketing. then big data and business analytics, then business to business marketing, B2B, then consumer behavior and well-being. Once you are going to submit the paper, you need to give the strong reason how your paper is connected to the particular category. In general, paper, the people don't like it. You need to specify it in the submission. Even the covering letter, you have to mention which category, so that for them, easy to process your paper. See, the more you make the editors and reviewers, associate editors understand your work, then you'll get the positive response. If your work is very vague, they will reject your paper. Why? Because they prefer to reject your paper. They don't want to spend that much time. The paper is for you important. For them, it's not important. Will you agree or not? For you, the paper is important. For them, not important. They will not see any kind of mercy. Oh, the paper is from the PhD work. Let me read for the one day. No. They want to understand within a few minutes. Otherwise, what they will do? Rejection.
How many minutes that
Already told you, right? Only few minutes.
Only
Maximum 5 minutes or something.
Okay.
Only a reviewer will read your paper completely. Then others to the academic ethics. As per the academic ethics means don't steal others' work.
Okay.
It means somebody written the paper. I should not take the credit like as a first authorship. If you really contribute, then take the credit. Otherwise, please don't do it. Right? Then a research scheme. Already, I think I covered this one. I don't want to repeat. This also covered it. I don't want to repeat. Somebody written like as asked that first, before this one, editorial manager, then editor-in-chief, handling editor, reviewer. This is a structure. Okay. I think the last time also I covered it, right? Do you want me to cover it here? Do you want me? Maybe 1 minute? Can I cover it within 1 minute?
Yeah.
So if you want to avoid the desk rejection, what you need to do? You need to play the important role. As an editor-in-chief, what do we expect? Editor-in-chief will expect something like as a, you have to write a very nice covering letter. You need to submit it. You have to highlight why this paper is important. Okay. Already I shown the covering letter also, right? How to make even with a very simple way. I'll show you. Within a few minutes, I will cover it. See here. In the covering letter, you have to follow this one. The first one is which one? What is your objective? What do you want? Next one is from the objective, what is your findings? Then from the findings, what you want to, we can say the contribution into the particular field. And then how this paper connected to the particular journal means reference from the same journal. Right? See, listen here. This is not abstract. This is a which one? Covering letter. This is not abstract. This is a covering letter. Don't copy the abstract and put into the covering letter. Don't do it. Covering letter you need to write one way. You need to see. Let me give the simple example. Covering letter means in the covering letter, we need to tell that this paper is done and prepared for only your journal. Yeah, exactly. And we need to give the proper connection between your paper to the scope of the journal with nice words, not fake words. I am telling the nice words, nice word. Okay, then it is a good, because they have to believe that. They have to believe that this is a really connected. Then this one will give the impression that the paper is not out of the scope, the paper is within the scope. Is it clear? The first one. Then second one is see here. Second one, see the again it's the same thing. No. Okay, right here. See here.
Okay.
Second one is the handling and associated. Many criteria will be there. From my perspective, I am sharing with you. If you refer a recent research paper, that to top journal papers in the manuscript, that will give the good impression. Many criteria, I am telling this is also one best one. Then after this one, who will read your paper thoroughly?
Reviewers.
Only reviewer. Actually, for us, the real God is not editor-in-chief. Who is the real God?
Reviewers.
Based upon the review recommendation, only editor-in-chief will take the decision. So, for the editor-in-chief, who is important? Authors or reviewers?
Reviewers.
Because of the reviewer only, your normal paper will give the more strong paper. So, what they will expect? They will expect the less number of the papers, less number of the words, but new contribution. Less number of words, new contribution. So, easy to understand this way. And these are things I don't want to explain this one. You can consider it, because every time like a sir, consider like a sir, this is your, if you are in the second category, then you can't able to write the paper. You should be the first category. What is it? Oh, I'm happy to do it. Oh my God. What is this? They are asking too much questions. Too much author guidelines means you will get bored and you can't able to insist. Okay, you need to be relaxed, because research it's relevant to the self-interest. It will not come through the external source. If you are really interested, you will be able to do it. Then, yeah, how to read the research paper? First, objectives, purpose, structure, methodology, limitation of the outcomes. And different people have the different methodology. So what I will do, somebody we can say no, the research question, everything. They wanted to understand the only methodology, they have to focus where? Methodology section of the particular paper. Got it? No, I want to understand the whole complete paper. Just have a look this way. Okay? And don't try to skip the paper just to read the only abstract and title. Right? Just have a look. But if it's interesting, then go for the full paper review. Then only you will able to take the maximum benefits. Right? Then this one is, I hope everybody knows that. Should I explain again? Do you want me to explain here?
No, okay.
Yes? Do you want? Okay, not take it.
Professor Mathi,
Yeah.
it's lunchtime, please.
Ayyo.
How far you got to go according to the schedule?
No. Give me at least 5 minutes more.
Okay, sure.
Actually, I'm sorry to say, till now, morning to till now, I didn't have. Only I had we can say coffee this much only. But I'm happy to take the more session, because you are shooting the questions. Whenever you are asking many questions, I will take the session even 10 hours without taking the anything, because I'm happy.
Unfortunately, yeah.
But I know that.
You
So
more, yes.
it's my intention to give the thing, but it is not necessary to take the, we can say the information with the empty stomach. If it is something there in stomach, then only it is easy to reach in your mind. So give me the 5 minutes. Only give me the just 5 minutes. Huh? Let me complete it. Only one slide. See that this one, last time also explained. Again, I'm giving the very, very emphasized one problem statement. When you are going to select this entire board is like as a literature review. Listen here, entire board is a literature review. From this literature review, what do you need to do? First, research area. Listen here. And then, sir, application perspective. In the application, the red color is considered which one? Specific contribution. And then the yellow color is your actual research question. Okay. Once you decide the actual research question, don't deviate from that one. Is it clear? Once you are going to fix the target, you need to aim only target. Don't see back. Don't see other places. Is it clear? You need to focus on only research question and the answer for the research question. So you have to study and you have to move. You have to release only the which one. You have to release only the arrows. Don't do like this way. Don't do like this way. Don't do any kind of dances, because that will deviate your target. Is it clear? Right. So my concern is so far what we discussed like this one. The research paper and how to read the paper and how to fix a research question or something. I'm going to tell you that research question, but the minimal idea of the research question. Once you fix a research question, the target is which one? Only trying to find out the answer for the research question through the structured way. Structured way means stand here and fix a target and release it. Then definitely it will hit. Suppose you are not very sincere, just releasing the data, releasing the arrow, even not in literature, not only this board, out of the board also it will go. If it's out of the board, then what will happen? Rejection. Paper will be rejection because you are not focused. Even you can claim that, no, I am very clear, but the board fixing is not correct. My mistake, but I am blaming to the organizer. No, the color, I don't like the color. It is not their mistake. Whose mistake? It is my mistake. Means they will expect the exact contribution. The contribution means once you fix it, the research question, after the research question fixing, you should go exactly that aspect only. Don't deviate from that one. Okay, don't deviate from that one. Sir, my research question is very nice, but still my paper getting the rejection because you are not focused your research question. You have formulated the research question, but your research paper is not focused on the getting answer of that research question. Is it clear? Okay. Professor Duck, now we can go for the lunch. Okay.
Okay, thank you. So we come back at 1:30. Is it okay with you? Or you want a bit earlier? How is everyone?
No. Actually, now 1:30, let them give. For me, even if you ask me to continue the session, I will continue. It doesn't matter. But
I know,
ask them
that's why I
others
have to
too.
stop you.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so everyone, let's have 1 hour 20 minutes break for lunch, and
Yeah.
see you again at 1:30. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's very exciting class.